Good morning, students. Today in T&D, we are going to see a very important topic, which is training needs analysis. You all know that training is an important component which leads to the development of any organization. But at the same time, for what the employees in an organization have to be trained? This is a $1 million question for which people, even with a lot of experience, find it difficult to find an answer. So the training needs assessment is a process that identifies the present level of knowledge, skill and competency and compares it with the required or established levels within an organization. This concept helps to know the difference and determine the training needs. Only when we are able to understand what is the level of competency, skills, knowledge of the present set of employees that we are handling and what is required for them to perform better in the future, so as to achieve our desired goals, will we be able to understand in what areas we need to train them. This entire process is called as the training needs assessment process. How do you go about doing it? There are some tools that are available to us which will help us over a period of time, when used efficiently, to tell us what are the areas in which our employees have to be trained. The first one is competitive analysis. Firstly, it is important to know where you stand in your industry. How competent are your competitors' employees? What they are capable of doing? What the organization is capable of doing? And is there a difference between the way they function and you are functioning? This gives very important strategic inputs into the training needs assessment. Next one is quickly evaluate employees' knowledge using short MCQs and question and answer to understand how updated they are in the industry in which you are operating. Examining work. If the work being produced reflects the appropriate business goals, is it too high or too low? What needs to be done in order to be more effective also answers this particular question. Questionnaires are another effective method by which you can reach out to understand what are the training needs assessment. They themselves will reflect on what training they require in order to perform better. Observation, regular observation about the way the employees are working will also give you critical inputs. Is their language communication area of concern, or the process an area of concern, or the teamwork an area of concern? You will be able to do the training needs assessment properly by understanding through observation. Interviews, individually talking to line managers as well as employees also gives you a lot of input as to where you would like your employees or trainees to improve in order to achieve better results over a period of time. So basically, in any given organization, training need analysis is carried out at 3 levels. First one is the micro level, which is the individual level of analysis, analyzing individual skills, knowledge and ability and deficiency. Individual employees, what is missing in them, what can be added to their skill set to make them perform better, is what individual level analysis is. Operational level analysis, determining the skills, knowledge required to carry out tasks for a particular job. Say, for example, in a manufacturing unit, you have got the inspection department, you have got the maintenance department, you have got the procurement department, you have got the manufacturing and the operations department. The electrical department, the civil department. Might be the electrical department, people are very good individually, as team players, they are bad. Maybe the maintenance department are very good at fighting, but proactiveness is missing. So as a group, there might be deficiencies which needs to be addressed, which comes out of your organization level analysis. And finally, that was operational level. At the organizational level, skills and knowledge gaps and training needs within an organization. Might be you are operating as a regional player and now you aspire to be a national player or might be an international player. So the organization, including the top management, needs to grow in order to reach out to the higher standards that a national player or an international corporate player requires to do in terms of financial literacy or accounting practices in terms of marketing principles to be followed, practices to be followed. Same thing with human resource deployments or cross cultural implementation of strategies. So basically, there are three levels. The micro level, understand what is missing in an individual employee. Second one, which is at the operational level, understand a particular department, the civil engineering department, the procurement department, the marketing department, what is missing. And finally, at the organization level, what is missing. And that forms the spectrum of your training needs assessment. Thank you for your place in listening.